Hi everyone, today we're just going to do a simple experiment to see if these actually soak up any heat at all, using these for a heat sink on components when soldering. So I'm just going to do kind of a quick test here. I'm going to do a little test with a soldering iron at 350 degrees Celsius, and we're going to see if it's what the temperature of the component is going to be after heat's been applied for 30 seconds. So I can get my stopwatch here. And we're going to go right now. So we'll just let that soak. For 30 seconds, and we'll see how high the temperature gets. And my Okay, so there's 30 seconds. We can see it's at 27 degrees. And we'll let that top out. See what the maximum recording is. But now we're back after a short little interlude, and the temperature's back down to where it should be. So now I've got the heat sink in place, and we're going to try this again. And we'll apply heat right about now. Okay, well, we're at 30 seconds now, and it hasn't gone up much. It's actually working a lot better than I thought it would. I think I'll stop in a minute. That's 30 seconds more than I gave the other one. So there's 1 minute. Take the heat off of it, and we'll see if it creeps up anymore. So the other one topped out at about 28.5 degrees. Sorry, shaking the desk there. And this one is kind of topping out. It looks like 24.7 degrees. About 24.8, flip-flopping. I'm not going to be satisfied until I see it actually go down. Still climbing. And I get the battery low. I should have charged this beforehand. 25 degrees. So having the heat sink on definitely slows down the thermal transfer. No, that doesn't actually, it's not very hot at all. It's warm, if anything. And we're starting to come down. So, short scientific experiment, heat sinks actually do work, and they work a lot better than I thought they would. It's just something I wanted to kind of bench test to see how well it worked, and it's apparently quite effective. So when you're doing things like, you know, transistors, sensitive transistors that may be sensitive to heat, you know, diodes, whatever the case may be, you might want to get some of these. I'll link them for Mauser, DigiKey, even AliExpress. I'm not going to get any kickback for it, but I will link them just so that you know they do work and that you should use them. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.